Welcome to Sarat Chandra CLAT ILET HSC YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to understand July month part 4 current affairs in MCQs form. I request you can watch remaining 3 parts videos so that you will get a comprehensive knowledge over different issues in July month current affairs. These current affairs available in MCQs forms so that it is easy to remember in the examination point of view. We also providing CLAT current affairs in the same pattern as required for the CLAT. For example, we are providing current affairs in the paragraph manner so that it is easy to prepare. Question number 1. Which of the following city recently India's first 5-star hotel at railway track inaugurated? So the answer is Gandhinagar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji inaugurated this hotel through a virtual platform. Which of the following country not part of Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation? Try to understand Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, an international organization established in the year 1989, headquarters Singapore. Okay, they will discuss about economic cooperation in the Asia Pacific region. There are 21 members, but important thing is India is not member of APEC. Okay, currently the summit was conducted virtually by New Zealand. In which of the city India's first LNG station established? So it is established in Nagpur. And it is established by one Ayurvedic group, that is Baidyanath Ayurvedic group. So it should be remembered. However, if you think what is LNG, liquefied natural gas, and in that what are the main components? 85 to 95% filled with methane. However, scientists believed that there are proportionate percent of ethane, propane, butane, and even some nitrogen too. Okay, so that is question number 3. Next question, consider the following statement regarding National Ganga Mission. See, National Ganga Mission is one of the apex body which implement Clean Ganga campaign. Okay, so National Ganga Council is also called as National Council for Rejuvenation, Production, Management of River Ganga. It is also correct. And then National Ganga Council chaired by Prime Minister. It is also true. Okay, it is also true. So all the above, both 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. However, try to remember that is origin of Ganga. Okay, river Ganga originate from 2 different rivers. One is your Alakananda, and then the other one is Bhagirathi. Okay, Alakananda and Bhagirathi will meet in a place called Devaprayag, and from that place it is called as Ganga. Okay, but remember, sometimes you are asked about glaciers which is in which Alakananda is originating. Okay, in Alakananda originates from Satopat glacier, and Bhagirathi originates from Gomukh glacier. Okay, these are important for GK point of view. Next, cryptogamic garden. How it looks? It looks like this. Okay, cryptogamic garden recently inaugurated in which of the following city? Okay, it is Deoband, which is in Uttarakhand. Then what is this cryptogamic? You see this species? These species are one of the oldest plant species which scientists traced this origin in Jurassic era. Okay, so these species are quite important because there are no seed, no flower species. One more important and interesting fact is the meaning of cryptogamic is hidden reproduction. Okay, so India going to have this park in Deoband, that is in Uttarakhand. Next, which of the following is aim of NASA Lucy mission? You see, main asteroids located between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, this is asteroid belt. However, if you see here, you can also find some more asteroids called as Trojan asteroids. Scientists believed that if we study these asteroids, you will get information regarding evolution of the solar system and evolution of different solar systems also. So that is the aim of the Lucy mission. Okay, it is the first mission to study Jupiter's Trojan asteroids. Next question. So these are the people who celebrated birth anniversaries recently. How can we use these events? These events are useful to revise modern Indian history. Okay, how? I will tell you. You see here, Aruna Asif Ali, July 16th, we commemorated her birth anniversary. Who is she? Aruna Asif Ali. Aruna Asif Ali. She played some heroic role in Quit India movement. Okay, 1942. Okay, remember this. During Quit India movement launched in 1942 at Gwalior Tank in Bombay. Okay, at this event she hoisted our flag. Okay, and she is called as Grand Old Lady of India. Who is called as Grand Old Man? He is Dadabhai Nauroji, but she is called as Grand Old Lady of India. And remember one thing, the word Quit India not given by Gandhiji. The word Quit India given by Yusuf Meherli, who is also associated with the word Simon Go Back. Simon Go Back. Okay. Then Mangal Pandey, a heroic person associated with 1857 revolt, but not Sepoy movement. Before Sepoy movement, Barakpur mutiny happened, and this is due to one soldier, Mangal Pandey. Okay, he belongs to Bengal Native Infantry, in which he revolted against Britishers in the year 1857, just a few months before the May 10th, 1857 revolt, that is Sepoy revolt. Next, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Remember, he is father of Indian unrest. Apart from that, he contributed a lot for the Indian national movement. For example, Mahatma Gandhiji, to describe his greatness, Mahatma Gandhiji described him as a maker of modern India. Maker of modern India. Apart from this, he is also called as Lokamanya. He is also called as Lokamanya. Okay, he is also called as Lokamanya. Then, interesting fact is, he associated with different events in India. For example, Swadeshi movement, Home Rule movement. Okay. Then he also published some newspapers like Kesari and Maratha. Remember, Kesari is in Marathi, Maratha is in English. Okay. So these are quite important for us. So the answer is all the above correct. Next, important days and events. Even the recent IELTS paper tested students' knowledge over Voters' Day. Voters' Day, which is on Jan 25th. So just be focused on these dates. Mandela Day. So Mandela Day commemorated on the birth anniversary of Nelson Mandela, South African leader who fought against racism. Then the theme of this Mandela Day is one hand can feed another. One hand can feed another. Next, Malala Day. So Malala Day, she, you know very well that she fought, she was brutally attacked by Taliban, and she now fighting against all the atrocities happening against the girls, and she is fighting for women rights and particularly girl child education. Okay, then Pi Day is also important, and Kargil Divas. If you see Kargil Divas, it has a good background. For example, after 1972 liberation of Bangladesh, Pakistan was brutally humiliated by India. Then what happened? In the year 1999, they want to infiltrate into India. They want to hold Kargil. Okay, so Kargil location, if you see, it is a major connecting point between Kashmir and Ladakh. However, what happened was their operation to infiltrate, called as Operation Badri, it was spoiled and destroyed by Indian Army. That is Operation Vijay Divas. We celebrate as a Kargil Divas. So it's high time to salute all our soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our protection. Then Ramappa Temple. Why it is in news? Because World Heritage Site announced it as a, sorry, it was announced as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. by UNESCO, and few facts which you need to remember. That is, it is constructed in 1213 and it is under the Kakatiya dynasty. When Ganapati Deva was king and Rechar Rudradeva established, under his commands it was established. Remember, Ramappa temple is not for Rama, it is for Lord Shiva. Okay, next, these are the recent books and others. So all are correct. Actually, all are correct. It should be the option. So all are correct. So now let us see the explanation here. Believe what life and create thought. Suresh Rana is correct. Next, space life matters. The coming of age of Indian scientists. Hari Pulkat is also correct. Stronger in the mirror. He is a director and he directed the films like Rang De Basanti, Delhi 6 and Bhag Milka Bhag 2. Okay, Bhag Milka Bhag also. So he is Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra and his autobiography is Stronger in the Mirror. Then Prince Harry and Meghan also wrote a book, Me You Can't See, Experience Adventures in Life. So these are the recent books and authors. Just focus on them. So with this, we completed part 4 July month current affairs. I hope you are watching these videos. Do make the notes and revise them properly and prepare well for your exams. All the very best. Thank you and Jai Hind.